I'm the Dollar Sportsman, guys. We are messing with a brand new gauntlet, Umarex Gauntlet out of the box, and we would just want to give a little tip. Most of these pellet guns, air rifles, etc., have a Dovetail scope mount. So let me show you what that is. Those of you who do not know, this is a Dovetail scope mount, and you can see that it has no railing whatsoever. It's just got the two indentations on either side, and that allows you to mount a Dovetail scope mount onto the top. A lot of people, however, use Picatinny mounts. Like for this scope, if you see the bottom of it, there's that bar right in the middle, and that's how you tighten down the scope when you install it, using these nuts. And that bar usually fits in a Picatinny mount like this one. So something that you can do, it's an easy fix. So this is the tip of the week, is grab yourself a UTG Picatinny Weaver, it's essentially the same thing, scope mount, and install that on top of your gauntlet. This I got for, I think they're 13 bucks on Airgun Depot. You should buy your stuff from there and support our channel. And yeah, that's it. It was inexpensive, and it's mostly positive reviews. In fact, I don't remember seeing any negative reviews on this, but I checked quite a few and they were all very positive. UTG seems to have their stuff together, and it just seems that way. This is actually a UTG scope that my buddy here has been using for a long time, for many years. It was on an AR-15 and it seemed to work pretty well. So now we're gonna stick it on the Umarex Gauntlet. We're just gonna install that.
So we got this wonderful tool. Because this one says no more than 15, right now we're already on the 10-pound mark, and these small increments are the intermediary level, so we're gonna go ahead and put it at least at 14. Make sure we don't overdo it.
Dude, that's slick. Very slick. Okay, let's install the magazine real quick so we can see how much clearance we've got. Pull the bolt back. Oh, still pretty tight. Gotta work that in. All right, there we go. All right, now stick that on top. See where it needs to go. Okay, probably just about there. Yeah, that'll give you the right clearance. So let's go ahead and tighten it down. So when in doubt, it's always a good idea to read the instructions. Now we take the big screws, put them in the side that has the indentations, yep, and they will reach across to the other side and then tighten down. But we have to install this first onto here after we just get these in and make sure that everything is hunky-dory.
At 25 foot-pounds.
25 inch-pounds.
Yes, inch-pounds, thank you.
All right, get that on. Slide it, rack it.
Slide to the left. Slid.
All right, there we go. You're on 24?
24.
Awesome, okay.
That way we no braking.
Tighten her down.
It's kind of on now. 24.
Might need 25. The extra inch-pound. Yeah, it's still loose. We'll finish off with the top ones. There are 3 more screws on the top that should help out. But go ahead and set that to 25.
25.
Let's do the max on there.
Oh, gosh.
Okay. Actually, that makes quite a bit more. Okay.
Doesn't.
All right, let's finish with the top 3 and see if this works.
That feels a lot better. Hang on, were we supposed to do that one at 15?
I don't know, check the instructions.
Will do. Do not exceed 15 inch-pound of torque for top.
Let's do it.
15.
15.
It's so nice doing that. You don't have to
15.
actually worry about it.
Yeah. Dude, that is solid now.
It's like a $50 product. Maybe a little bit more depending on where you get it.
Where can you get it?
I actually got it off of Optics Planet.
Optics Planet?
Yep.
Do I hear an affiliate opportunity? All right, that is tight. Tight. Okay, let's get this scope on. Check your eye relief. See where you want it, because you want your cheek to be able to sit comfortably on here and still be able to see it.
Here, we'll at least tighten one of the back.
See how it feels.
Oh, that is up really high, but...
Well, we'll adjust this in the back to make that work.
Otherwise feels good.
It's about right for your eye relief.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, let's tighten it down. The last turn there.
Get that last little turn in.
Perfect. You are set. That is the scope install with the UTG scope along with the UTG Dovetail to Picatinny rail adapter. That looks freaking sweet. Dude, you ready to shoot?
Let's do this.
I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Guys, thank you for watching. This is how you install from a Dovetail to a Picatinny rail for your scope mount, for any pellet gun for that matter, but we're doing it to the Umarex Gauntlet, brand spanking new. This is exciting, man.
It is.
Let's shoot this thing. We're gonna go shoot. See you guys. That's pretty comfortable. Woohoo! Let's give it a shot. Or 2 or 60. We're in bug territory. Yes! Wow. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Yes, I'm the Dollar Sportsman. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Having fun out here. And just enjoy all of this. Because after watching these videos, I hope you do. Yeah, buddy.